So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the summary of our information that we found, and we're actually going to create what this would look like using our bearings and just mapping everything out. So it looks like everything's happening west and northwest at first, and then south and west. So I can kind of make it so my navigation starts to the right, because I know that everything's going to be heading west in this problem, so not to waste space. So let's see. That'd be our north, all the way down. Okay. And then let's just say, okay, so that's our north, that's our south, here's our east direction. And everything's going to be moving west here. So the first step here is we're going to be going about 70 nautical miles west. Let's just draw 70 nautical miles west. Just like we would have done on one of our easier problems. Then we're going to hit it with a north 35 degrees west with 56 nautical miles. So let's try and keep it all looking right. So I'm going to go north 35 degrees west in this direction, and it's not going to look as far as the 70 nautical miles. So I'm going to look about, say I go about here. So that's 56 nautical miles. So if that's 56 nautical miles, I know that at that point, I now have to go west for 58.38. 58.38 will look very similar in the west direction. Again, I'm getting all this from my son. So 58.38. A little bit farther. All from my summary, 58.38 nautical miles in the west direction. And then my final part of the problem is this south 14 degrees west for 114.17 nautical miles. So that's pretty far. It's going to put me into the south part here. So I'm going to go south, just like we've done before, from this point right here, south 14 degrees west. I'm going to exaggerate this angle a little bit just so you can see it. But south 14 degrees west. And this line is going to be the biggest line because it's the furthest distance, 114.17 nautical miles. And I'm going to be all the way down here. Maybe go a little bit further. So there's your 114.17 nautical miles. So this is the path of the boat from the start. Here's your west 90 nautical miles, north 35 degrees west, 56 nautical miles, and then west 58.38 nautical miles west, and then all the way down, we've got south 14 degrees, all the way down here. So we're going to start up here, all the way through. So that just addresses, we start here, we end here, and we're going to talk about what the problem's asking after.